You can actually switch it on and off using your voice, which is actually great.
आप कुछ भी चलाना चाहते हो तो आपको रिमोट की नीड नहीं पड़ेगी.
जैसे मनी हाइस्ट स्टार्ट होता है, लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा आता है डॉल्बी विजन और कलर यहाँ पर जो है वो बढ़िया से मिल जाते हैं.
Now that was a lot of specs, but talking about the picture quality, I found the panel here to be fairly bright, sharp, and the colors look right with the display set to the standard mode.
मतलब it is loud. मैं कहूंगा एक बात आपको कि इसका जो ऑडियो है दोस्तों seriously loud है.
Now this Realme TV has stock Android and I'm all for it. You have access to the Google Play Store, you have access to all popular streaming services and that's great.
जो बिल्कुल डिफॉल्ट मक्खन जो स्मूथ वो एक्सपीरियंस है वैसा ही आपको मिलता है, कोई लैगी इसमें नहीं है.
और बाकी सब चीजें जो एक मॉडर्न स्मार्ट टीवी में आपको चाहिए सभी कुछ इसमें मिलती है.
तो काफी सही और प्रॉमिसिंग सा टीवी लग रहा है.
So yeah, the new Realme 4K TV seems to be a pretty solid all-round 4K TV.
Okay, Google, show me my favorite film. Realme Dare to Leap. Realme Dare to Leap.
Realme Smart TV, rich picture, rich sound. Realme Dare to Leap. Realme Smart TV, rich picture, rich sound. Realme Dare to Leap.
Dancing, floating, racing on the air. Colorful world, I'm young, I'm vibrant. Reach me
Realme Smart TV, Full HD. Rich picture, rich sound. Realme Dare to Leap.
Hey everyone, I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager at Realme. And today, let's check out all the cool features of the new Realme Smart TV Full HD. So once you set up the TV, the first thing that you're going to notice is just how thin the bezels are. What this means is that when you're enjoying watching your Realme Smart TV Full HD, all you focus on is the picture. The other thing is that we have stands in the box which are very easy to install. It took me under 2 minutes to do that. Also, if you wish to wall mount, you can wall mount the new Realme Smart TV Full HD. We also have the gorgeous looking Realme Smart TV remote, which we'll talk about in some time. But let's turn on the TV first. Now looking at this display is where you see the biggest difference. From the previous Realme Smart TV 32 inches, the new Realme Smart TV is at a full HD resolution, which means there are more pixels per inch, effectively resulting in better picture quality, better clarity, and overall viewing experience. Of course, this is enhanced by the use of Chroma Boost picture engine and an 85% NTSC color gamut coverage. The all-new Realme Smart TV Full HD also comes with Android 9, which means you get access to Google Play Store and the plethora of apps that you can find on it. We also have the power of Google Assistant built right into the TV, and you can activate it using the Google Assistant button on the remote. We also have Google Chromecast built right into the TV, which means you can easily cast any of your favorite videos or music to your smart TV with just a single click. You can take your smartphone, simply click the cast button, and it will play on your TV. Now the amazing sound that you just heard was coming out of the 24-watt quad stereo speakers on the Realme Smart TV Full HD. So we have two box speakers on each side, each speaker containing one all-range speaker and one high-frequency tweeter. Now with this quad speaker setup, we also have Dolby Audio, which means that you not just get a great visual experience, but a complete audio experience with the Realme Smart TV Full HD. Now to control this Realme Smart TV Full HD, we have the Realme Smart TV remote. It comes in the box with the batteries as well. It's ergonomically designed and lightweight. We have hotkeys for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video and Google Assistant. The Realme Smart TV Full HD also comes with the power of Google Assistant built right in. To activate, simply click the Google Assistant buttons on your Realme Smart TV remote. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Go back home. So simply by using voice, you can control the entire Realme Smart TV Full HD, or you can also control smart home devices around the house that are connected by Google. What's the weather like outside?
Currently in New Delhi, it's 99 degrees with haze. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 109.
We also have the power key that can quickly turn off and turn on the Realme Smart TV Full HD. Powering this entire setup is a quad-core MediaTek chipset with 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. The Realme Smart TV Full HD also supports HDR10, which is very rare to find in this segment. Now all of this overall makes the Realme Smart TV Full HD the best 32-inch TV that you can buy. Coming to connectivity, we have various ports including 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. For wireless connectivity, we also have Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.2. To sum it all up, the Realme Smart TV comes with 32-inch display with Full HD resolution, NTSC color gamut coverage of 85%, Chroma Boost picture engine and HDR10 support. For audio, we have a 24-watt quad stereo speaker enhanced by Dolby Audio. Now running all of this is Android 9 with Google Play Store, and also the TV comes out of the box with YouTube, Netflix and Prime Video pre-installed, and of course you can go to the Google Play Store and download any app that you want. So if you're in the market for a 32-inch TV today, it doesn't get better than this. And with that, let's wrap it up. Turn off the lights.
Okay, turning off the Realme Smart Bulb.
Realme, dare to leap.